Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Berryfae. I don't know if this is going to be the official intro, but yeah. So I'm about to do my makeup. I am actually home. This is my third day of being home sick with COVID. I can't believe it. But if you've been following my vlogs, then you already know. But yeah, this is day 3. Today's Wednesday, October 18th, I believe. I feel fine, but I know I can't smell or taste. So that's how I knew I had it. But other than that, I would have never known. Instead of moping around and watching TV all day long, I decided, you know what, I'm going to get up and I'm going to record a video. So here I am recording a video. Is my mic even plugged in? So if you were following my vlogs, then you know I found out I had COVID. Based on my symptoms, I know it is actually positive. Again, the only symptoms I have are loss of taste and smell. And it's severe. It's not like, oh, I can only kind of smell anything. I can't smell anything at all. I put vapor rub literally inside of my nostrils. And I can't smell a thing. Can't smell not one drop of it. I'm eating Chick-fil-A fries a lot. And I've been eating spicy foods, which I can kind of taste. It's really hard to eat when you can't taste what you're eating. Like, you do not realize that you solely depend on your taste buds to eat good food. Eating, watching TV, I edited so many videos. Like, I've edited like 5 videos in one day one time, honestly. I think on Monday was like my top editing day ever. I've edited like at least 5 videos back to back. That's just how much I don't have anything to do. Can't see nobody, nobody can come over. Anybody who has come over has just dropped off food at my door and was gone because I won't allow anybody to come over because I want to protect them. I have COVID. That's crazy. Sorry if I keep looking over there. I'm looking to make sure the camera is focused, but this is absolutely insane to me, but we are really still dealing with it. Alright, so I am going to be testing out these new makeup brushes. These are potential brushes for my business, and I figure why not? Let me test them out today. These are the potential brushes for Berryfae Beauty, so you guys see them here first. And this is what they look like. They are a nice rose gold color. Come in a nice pretty pink pouch. I think they are so cute. I'm going to put them to the test to see how they apply on the face, the eyes, all of that. And yeah, we're just going to test them out and we're going to talk a little bit in between. So, alright, so I have my makeup mixing palette and I'm going to go ahead and apply some concealer onto it. Alright, now let's go ahead and carve out these brows. Not really sure again what I'm doing, but I do want to try out these new makeup brushes for Berryfae Beauty. If I like them and they're not shedding, then hey, wait for the holidays. But yeah, I'm gonna use my usual palette because why not? And here are the brushes. I'm gonna show you guys one more time with a better lens on the camera. They are so stinking cute. Excuse my nails. I have COVID and I can't get my nails done. So these are the potential brushes for my beauty line and I'm super excited to give them a good try. I haven't named the brushes yet, so I'm just going to be taking them and just showing you guys the type of brush it is. This is like a fluffy angled brush, not fluffy angled, a fluffy brush They are super soft. They're a nice pinky gold color, which I really like. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just play around with the makeup. Alright, so I just put some of this orange color all over the crease. The camera keeps focusing on the plant and not me. Anyways, I had got my lashes done, so I'm not used to them. They keep falling out. They're cute, but I don't think I like it. You can see them from the side. So I'm trying not to get the brush to hit the lashes because they keep messing it up. Alright, so I'm taking this red with one of the flat brushes. Look at all that extra. Oh, that's so annoying. And we're gonna put this all over the lid. It's not really red, it's like a hot pink, but I'm gonna put this as a base and then we're gonna put a red over it. So DJ just came over and brought me some goodies. It's some immunity shots and some elderberry. I told him I wanted to start taking elderberry. So I have some elderberry capsules and some immunity defense shots. Trying to fight off this COVID. So yeah, actually let me take one right now. This one has elderberry probiotics. Ah, I could smell that and I don't even have a sense of smell right now. Wow, that's disgusting. Ah! Oh my God, that burns. I can't even taste or smell, but well, it's coming back, but. Oh, that burned. Oh. I just took an elderberry pill. Anyway, this tutorial is gonna be all over the place, y'all, but it's all right. So I'm going into the crayon case and I'm gonna use the red on top of this one because this one is more like a pink and it's not red. My crayon case thing is so jacked up. Look at that. It's literally destroyed, but so the shadows is like so powdery that it's like ugly in a way. I cannot use this. I don't like it anymore. All right, I think I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty foundation. I don't know, I'm just gonna use whatever. Anything I haven't used in a long time, I'm gonna use it today because they're just sitting here wasting away. The only thing I don't like about my Fenty foundation, it's a little bit orange. So I'm using the flat top brush and we're just gonna blend the Fenty foundation into the skin. This foundation is so orange. This is the Fenty foundation, you guys. The one that everybody was going crazy for like 2-3 years ago. And I cannot get myself to like this foundation. It just gets so matte, but the color is so off. The brush is doing a very good job though, but all right, I'm gonna take some of my Huda Beauty and I'm just going to put one layer. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and contour. I'm gonna be using my Tarte contour, what is it, cream? This is what it looks like. I like this. It's very creamy. It's very not hard to blend. Come on! All right, so we got the contour going. This contour is so nice and just so like creamy-ish. It's just really good. I'm gonna be using my potential brush, and we're gonna go ahead and just blot that in. All right, so we're just gonna tap, tap, tap. Look at that. Oh, not that, I mean this side. I love the way this is used. Ooh, it's like an angled little thing. I like the way that it is blending it. Like it's taking away all the harsh lines. I didn't used to like contouring, but I realized I was just using the wrong thing. Cream contours are not good for me because I don't blend them enough. But anything like liquidy like this, I mean, like it just adds a nice glow of depth to the face, and we love it. Forehead I'll let dry down a little bit just so it can really stay in place. Tapping it in, not dragging it in. Getting in the hairline. Tap, 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 tap. We didn't highlight yet. Ooh, that looks so good. Hopefully it looks good on camera, because the camera, the thing is showing me as very orange, but I don't know how it looks on the actual camera because this TV color setting isn't right. Why does the camera keep focusing on the plant? Ugh. Moving the plant. Moving the plant completely. I'll bring it back when I'm done. Thank you. Golly, the camera was just only wanting to be focused on the plant. I don't understand. My edges are messed up. I did not tie them down. I'm gonna take my old ColourPop highlighter. All right, looking scary as ever. Y'all, this tutorial is so raggedy. I'm not even paying attention. The camera stops focusing every 10 seconds. Like, this is like a jacked up behind tutorial. I should have just went live, honestly. Y'all, I apologize if y'all end up watching this video. I don't even know if it's gonna get posted. Maybe just a little snippet of it. What is going on? I have no idea. I just tried to really make myself do something today. So I'll probably just make some TikToks after recording this. The makeup look is looking cute though. I'm not gonna do anything to the lashes. I'm gonna leave them as is. I'm telling you guys, the only way I knew for a fact that I had COVID was when I couldn't taste or smell. Eating, and then it hit me. I'm like, why am I not saying because that's kind of how I eat. I'm kind of usually like always into my food because I love food. And then on Sunday night, I realized I couldn't taste anything. I was like, wait a minute now. And so, if you haven't seen me take those tests, go look at my last vlogs, my I have COVID vlog. Yeah, go look at that and you'll be able to see. All right, we are almost done. Take our MAC Studio Fix powder and we're gonna just go over everything. I'm gonna take this brush. All right, now let's bronze the face. I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty bronzer. All right, we're gonna use Berryfae Beauty's Queen highlighter. Look at that highlight, y'all. Do it like it's my birthday, baby. All right, for the lips, what are we gonna do? All right, we're gonna take Berry because I haven't used it in a long time. This is from my collection. So here's the lips. We got Berryfae Beauty's Berry on the lips. Ooh, that looks so pretty. This is pretty. I guess I knew what I was doing after all, huh? Huh. I'm gonna use this facial mist. I'm not using my good facial steamers. Anybody got time? I'll be right back to close out this video. All right, you guys. So we are done with this makeup tutorial. I'm about to put on my new necklace from My Little Necklace. I literally just got the box and it has my initial A on it. If you guys want your own necklace, I have so many. If you want your own, feel free to use my code to get $10 off your purchase. Perfect gifts for the holidays, birthdays, everything. This is what this necklace looks like. It just has a cute A for Ariel, you know. Again, this is from My Little Necklace. The link will be in the description if you would like your own. This is a look. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you like this tutorial, give me a thumbs up. I know the video is all over the place, but hey, we still went through it. Again, thank you guys for all the well wishes and my vlog and everything like that. I appreciate it, and until next time, hopefully the next tutorial I will not have COVID anymore. But yeah, anyway, stay tuned for the slow-mos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. What are you